It is Deanda. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber or viewer. Today what I want to do is show you guys really quickly how I use a mobile hand washing station in the back of my car. I feel like this is just very fitting right now because with the coronavirus going on and there being a shortage on things such as hand sanitizer, you want to still be able to make sure that you're maintaining good hygiene on the go. So I'm just leaving from Chick-fil-A and like a ton of grocery shopping. I like to typically eat some of my fries on the way home, but first what I need to do is wash my hands. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that from the comfort of your very own car. This is not an original idea. I got this from Deanda over at Life in Multiples, so I will link her video down below. But this is something I've been doing for about a year now. I started potty training my son last June. It was not solely for the purpose of hand washing, but it was for a mobile potty, if you will. But let me show you guys how this works. So I have just water in the spray bottle, Dr. Bronners soap. I had a bottle of bottled water back here. I make sure you're washing and getting all the different parts really well. And you take your just water and you spray it off. This obviously goes much faster if you just use bottled water, but bottled water is currently in high demand, so I don't want to waste my bottled water. Just take your napkin. All right, guys, so that is it. It is super duper simple to maintain good hygiene on the go, even though the people have like cleared the shelves of every trace of hand sanitizer. And honestly, I mean, washing your hands is far better than using hand sanitizer anyway. So I hope that you found this video extremely helpful. Again, like I said, I got this idea from Deanda. She made a really great video on potty training on the go. And so that, what you just saw is just a part of the on the go potty training setup. Again, I will link it down below, but if you found this helpful, definitely give a thumbs up. I love sharing helpful tips, tricks, and the like here on my channel. So be sure to subscribe for more great content if you haven't already. Thanks a bunch for watching, guys. Bye.